Hey, this is Emily from supplyhouse.com, and in this video, I'll talk about the Viega ProPress System. Press is a method of joining pipe that uses force to make a connection, eliminating the need to solder, groove, braze, thread, or weld. The Viega ProPress System can be made in 7 seconds or less, and can be made wet or dry for quick repairs on existing systems. The patented Viega Smart Connect feature allows water or air to flow past the sealing element in an unpressed fitting, clearly indicating a misconnection, providing guaranteed security and peace of mind. The Viega ProPress System is available in copper or zero-lead bronze material. It's also available with multiple sealing elements, so it can be customized to fit in nearly any application. EDPM for potable water applications, HNBR for gas or fuel oil applications, and FKM for industrial applications. Viega ProPress fittings come in different styles such as elbows, T's, adapters, flanges, valves, and more, in sizes ranging from 1/2 inch to 4 inches. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.